You poor dog, how can I make you feel better? Like other rich girls in the 1800s, Florence did not go to school. Instead, her father taught her lessons in English, history and foreign languages at home.
Florence was a very keen student. Although Dawson used to learn mathematics, Florence was interested in maths and persuaded her father to teach her that subject too.
One day, Florence, when she was in the garden at Emily's house, Florence had God calling her.
Florence, Florence, you must do work on this earth.
At first, Florence wasn't sure how to do God's work, but as she grew older, she decided what she wanted to do. Please let me be a nurse. All I want to do is help people.
Florence, don't be silly. Nurses are old, drunken, uneducated old women. You're a lovely rich girl. You should get married and party, not work in dirty hospitals.
Look, I'm Florence Nightingale. I would like to change the world. Don't make me stay and just party all day. I want to help the sick. Look, I'm Florence Nightingale. I would like to be a nurse. Why sit around when there's work to be done? Please let me be a nurse. She is Florence Nightingale. She will give up easily. She'll keep on trying to stop people dying. She's Florence Nightingale.
Florence did not give up and would wake up early each morning to study the sick. She became an expert on health and how to look after the sick.